Hi Isaac in Italy, here is Mattia, current TM coach of Isaac in Italy and previous LCVP TM of Isaac Trento. Here I'm standing in front of you because I'm applying for the position of MCVP TM for 2015-2016. The reasons why I wanna apply is because I saw different things of Isaac that really shaped my life, and leadership and development. Dai vecchio, tira via sta roba, dai. No, facciamo alla mia maniera.
Till it's over, till the world's out of sight. We will stand, we will fight. It's not over till it's over. As I fell to the ocean floor, fading light through an open door, I saw myself rise with the water. And they thought they could keep me down, hold that breath and watch me drown, but all they did was push me higher. We don't care what they say, we will be here all day. We'll stay until